5 amazing foods to improve gut health. The video discusses 5 foods that can help improve gut health and address issues like indigestion, gas, and acidity. The gut contains trillions of bacteria, and an imbalance where bad bacteria increase is the root cause of many digestive problems. Curd yogurt is a natural probiotic rich in good bacteria, vitamin B12, and calcium, and can be consumed in various ways. Oats are beneficial due to their high dietary fiber content, specifically beta-glucan, which feeds good gut bacteria. Ginger is a powerful herb for the digestive tract, effective against stomach pain, gas, acidity, and has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Grapes help clear waste from the body and relieve constipation, being rich in water, fiber, polyphenols, and antioxidants. Fennel seeds, saunf, are traditionally used to aid digestion and can be consumed with mishri or ajwain, or boiled in water. A general plan for incorporating these foods includes curd with jaggery before breakfast, oats for breakfast, buttermilk at lunch, and grapes or raisins as snacks. The video emphasizes that fiber is crucial for gut health and suggests replacing wheat and rice with oats where possible. Finally, the video subscribe, join the channel MAFHH Roots, and follow the creator on Instagram, Kasainali, Facebook. Integrating these foods into your daily meals doesn't have to be a daunting task. Let's take a look at how you can easily prepare a nourishing meal by combining these ingredients into a delicious, gut-friendly dish. Seeing is believing. Here we have a family who regularly enjoys these gut-friendly foods. Let's hear what they have to say about their experiences and any improvements they've noticed. Healthy eating is a global movement. Let's see how people around the world are incorporating these gut-friendly foods into their lifestyles. Whether you're growing your own grapes, making homemade yogurt, or simply choosing fiber-rich foods at the store, every effort counts towards a healthier gut. Community and food go hand in hand. Sharing meals with friends and family can multiply the joy of eating well and staying healthy. Remember, your gut health is a journey, a path to be walked with good food, good company, and lots of love. Start your journey by visiting local markets where you can handpick the freshest ingredients. Supporting local farmers is a step forward for your health and community. Join community workshops and cooking classes that help you maintain a balanced diet. These sessions can provide helpful tips and recipes tailored to enhance gut health. Watch and learn from AFH Roots YouTube channel.